JDCap26 here, just do the tips and repairs and hobbies, and I hope you guys are doing, and girls are doing good today. We've got the SOG here, power assist, and I was putting this extra piece, this adapter for the screwdriver in the side pocket here, but it kept falling out, so I was going to do something with this over here, but I decided it's got a back pocket, which I have a piece of leather there for sharpening, just to stick it in here like this. If I can get it in there like that, and it locks right in, and all I have to do is put the snap back on. It'll snap, just snap, and it's all set. You know, we're not going to lose that now. And if it does, it's going to be in my pocket. So I got to get another piece to go on this part, because it only came with one side. I'm going to look up for the cover. If any of you guys know where to get the cover for the tool kit for the SOG, please let me know. And I hope you're having a good day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.